So guys, here is even more video I'm about the Django, and today's Django video I am giving the introduction to PostgreSQL. If you don't know what is the PostgreSQL, so in today's video if you see the video start to end, then your whole concept will be clear about it, what a PostgreSQL. Let's move to computer screen and let me give you the introduction to PostgreSQL. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's video of the Django, I am giving the introduction to PostgreSQL. What is that? Let me tell you. Database engines. Django comes with the SQLite database, which is great for testing and debugging at the beginning of the project. However, it is not very suitable for production. Django also support these database engines like PostgreSQL, MariaDB, MySQL, and Oracle. We'll take a closer look at the PostgreSQL database engine. PostgreSQL. The PostgreSQL database is an open source relation database which will cover most demands you have when creating a database for a Django project. It has good for reputation, it is reliable, and it performs well under most circumstances. We will add a PostgreSQL database to our Django project. To be able to use the PostgreSQL in Django, we have to install a package called PSCopage2. Install a PSCopage2. Type this command in the command line to install the package. Make sure you are still in the virtual environment. So how to download it? You write this type of command. This is the one command. You will be copy it here. You can see this is command. Enter pressed, and you will be sure that you are in your virtual environment. If you do not in your virtual environment, so it give you the error. I am in my virtual environment, so it will not give me the error. It is giving me the output now. Here it give me successfully installed the PostgreSQL binary 2.9.0 version, and here you can see it. The results will be look like this, and my result is also something look like this. The PostgreSQL package is a driver that is necessary for PostgreSQL to work in Python. We also need a server where we can host the database. In this tutorial, we have chosen the Amazon Web Services AWS platform. You will learn more about in the next chapter. Means in this tutorial, we also need one server where we'll host our database. In this tutorial, we have chosen the Amazon Web Services. Amazon, if you don't know what is Amazon is that server. In the Amazon, we can host our database, and this is a very beautiful platform. So you will learn more about in the next chapter. In the next chapter, we will see that. So here you can see it. From the next chapter, we make our accounts in AWS and all things. In today's video, in this tutorial, we have chosen the Amazon Web Service platform. You will learn more about in the next chapter. So here you can see in today's video, just I told you about the introduction to PostgreSQL. In today's video, I have installed our PostgreSQL, and this one video is about the introduction. That's why this video is very smaller. But in today's video, I give you the introduction to PostgreSQL. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friends, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our future latest videos. So I meet you next class, next very amazing like that type of videos, and in the next video we learn about how to create an account in AWS. So now I meet you next class, next very amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.